أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In this session, we are going to look into how to use ChatGPT to generate a draft of research contributions. Now, before I use ChatGPT to generate a draft of research contributions, there is a very important word of caution. It is very important that we understand the ingredients, the elements, the sections that are in a research paper or research thesis. ChatGPT or any other tool like this is not a thesis generator or a paper generator for you. It can work as an assistant for you, but if you do not know what needs to be written, how it should be written, and why it needs to be there in your paper, then ChatGPT or any other AI tool for that matter is not usable. So before you use ChatGPT to generate study contributions, you should understand what study contributions are, where they are written in a research paper, how they are written. Now, the help that ChatGPT will provide is that it will formalize and provide you with a better structure, better English, and proper format so that you can directly use it by slightly rephrasing the text in your paper. But it is not a substitute to your own learning of how a research paper or its different sections are written. So I use it sometimes when I am slightly confused maybe as to how should I word my research contributions. So I asked ChatGPT, okay, these are the things. I have written my contributions most of the times, but I'm asking ChatGPT, okay, is this how you will write it? And then I know, okay, let's say if it gives me some more good, comprehensive, concrete sentences, then I might use it. But again, it's not a substitute. Now, how do I do it if I want to do it? So step one, the title of the study. So my title of the study is this. Let me give ChatGPT the title of the study. Now the second step. This is the step 2. Now I have to tell ChatGPT what I have done. What is original and new in my research? So these are the new and original research relationships or new relationships that I have tested as part of my study. So what I'm going to do is press Ctrl V, then Shift Enter. The step 3 is what theory or what theoretical lens I have used. The theory that I have used is this. Copy, paste it here. And finally, the big question, the prompt. Can you provide draft contributions of the study that includes contributions to the literature, contributions to the theory, and contributions pertinent to the use of the theory in health sector, because my study was focused on health sector. So I'm going to copy this and Shift Enter, paste it. Now press Enter and let's see what we get. Now here are your contributions to the health sector, contributions to the theory, contributions to the literature. So let's see how ChatGPT has worded these contributions. This study contributes to the existing literature by delving into the specific context of health sector during COVID-19 pandemic. It provides a nuanced understanding of how knowledge-oriented leadership influences team outcomes in crisis situations, adding depth to the broader field of knowledge leadership. The study contributes to the literature by applying resource-based view in the health sector context, and this application extends the theoretical framework beyond its traditional business domain. Now again, this is the contribution of RBV in the health sector. Now where is my contribution pertinent to the new relationships? Let's see. By exploring the role of knowledge-oriented leadership in health sector during COVID-19 pandemic, this study enhances resource-based. Again, this is theory. This is theory, but there is no contribution pertinent to the relationships. I can't see it. Now again, this is important. That is the reason I was mentioning earlier that one needs to understand how contributions are written, because it's missing a big chunk of my contributions. Let me ask ChatGPT. There are no contributions mentioned pertinent to the original relationships that my study is testing. So I'm asking ChatGPT, where are my contributions pertinent to the original relationships that I have provided? Now let's see. Again, this is mediating mechanism. Now this is team outcomes. Now, obviously it's much more detailed. Can I have the contributions in the form of a paragraph? Let's see if we can get a paragraph out of it. Now here is the paragraph. Now if you know how they are normally written but you are having problem phrasing it, this is a good tool for it. Now read and see if it meets the objectives of your study. And this is how you would like it to be phrased. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to generate the contributions of your study. But again, it is not an alternative, because as I told you earlier, or as we saw earlier, that it missed out on a very important part. Now you can further query it and say that, okay, these are the relationships, provide me contributions for every single relationship. So then it will provide you with contributions for every single relationship. I hope this session would have helped you understand how to use ChatGPT further for your study contributions. Thank you very much.